Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share selected cells to other in Google Sheets, cell lock, rank lock, row column locks. Let's get started by open your file or open your sheets. This is daily schedule, a template from Google Sheets. So if you want to share this file or sheets to your boss, college, and maybe your friends, and your friends want to edit only selected row, or you just give them permission only selected rows or cells. Not all the cells can be edited. You can do it by click right click on your mouse, try to search a few more cell action, try to search protect range. You can click it, add sheet or range, this one. So you can enter the description like information. You only can edit this row or you can edit these cells, and you can set the range or sheet here or accept certain cells. You can do it. For example, a sheet, this one by range. You can delete this first. Select range. Sorry. As you can see, this change. After that, click OK. Set permission. You can restrict who can edit this range, only you, or you can custom. Choose who can edit by add editors by her name or her email here. You can choose who can edit this file, or you can show warning. This one. This is the way how your friend can edit only selected row or cells. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.